welcome back to another DGP Diecast Grand Prix unboxing. Today we have a short unboxing. We got the Glory Chaser, and we got two different colors here. We got the red and the light blue. This is a very famous color. You'll see this color in a bunch of different vehicles, a bunch of different cars, trucks, so very popular combination. So we got the red here, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the blue first. And then we'll get to the red. So once again, the Glory Chaser. I would like to know which one you guys like more. Do you like the blue more? Do you like the red more? So when you're done watching the video, please let me know. I really like the rims on this. Kind of matching with the orange right there, number 8. Golf decal. This isn't a real vehicle, just a made-up one. A spin test there. I think this is going to do really well on the track, and it's, you know, low to the ground, so very aerodynamic. Let's take a look at the top. Chrome interior. I like that they clear over here with the lights. Engine popping through. Front looks great. Nice chrome grille. Side view. 2-door. Let's take a look at the inside. I like how they have this back part with the seats. That looks good. Look at the back. Very nice. Let's take a look at the bottom. Glory Chaser, Hot Wheels. Number 8, Glory Chaser. Let me know if you guys like this. What do you guys think about this car? I do like the blue. It's like a nice light baby blue with the orange. Number 8. It's a good number. Again, I think the rims really tie it all together. Looks cool. All right, let's go ahead and unbox the red one. Glory Chaser number 22 in red. Red with like the yellow orange stripe. I like that they have the stripe back here. They did not have that on the blue one. Still chrome interior. It's like a hot red. I like the clear lights. Very nice. Number 22 Glory Chaser in red. Back looks nice. What do you guys think about this one? Do you like the red more? You like the blue more? I'm going to put them side by side in just a moment. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom. Glory Chaser, Hot Wheels. Spin test. This might have done a little bit better than the other one. Not sure. Let's check them out. We got the blue. Sky blue, baby blue. Check out the rims. Let me know which one you guys like more. I'm not even sure which one I like more. I do like the red, but I like the blue. I think they both look great. I felt like I had to get them both just because I thought that they both looked good. Plus for the comparison. Number 22 in red. Number 8 in the baby blue. Top view. to the side view. Side by side here. Once again, the Hot Wheels Glory Chaser. Let me know which one you guys like more. Do you like the red more? Do you like the baby blue more? I like them both. Not sure which one I like, but the most, I mean, I kind of flip-flop because I do like this red. This red is really, really nice. And I do like this blue. I wish it was a little bit darker, but the rims kind of get me, the orange rims. So again, that's why I kind of had to get them both. So if you like these, let me know. And thanks for watching another unboxing here at the DGP. If you like this short content format, please also let me know. I'm trying to build a community, and if you could please just give me a thumbs up. Go right now, give me a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. Please give me a thumbs up. It helps out a lot. Please comment. I'm gonna respond to the first couple commenters. And once again, trying to build the community. I want you guys to be involved. I want to be involved with you guys, and let's build something together. Thanks for watching, guys. Another unboxing here at the DGP Diecast Grand Prix. We got the Glory Chaser in blue and in red, number 8 and number 22. Thanks for watching.